Welcome. We're back for another edition of the New Age Shopping Show. And I promised you when my order from Tommy'sRocks.com came, I was going to do an unboxing. I'm so excited. So, thank you for joining me. My name is Sherry McKeon, and I am excited to open this. Tommy'sRocks.com. Let's see if I can get it up by the... There he is, Tommy's Rocks, Hastings, Florida. What do we have in the package? And I don't have any scissors. He's got it wrapped really well. Let's see if I can get in there without tearing up the padding too much. Here it goes. Here it goes. Okay, I'm just ripping and shredding. Oh, I feel something chunky. There's something chunky in there. All right, there it is. I tore it open. All right. So he's got my little list of stuff that I wanted. Well, this is what was in there. Let's look through it. Oh, he sent me an amethyst. He sent me the 5-carat amethyst. Oh my gosh. Oh, I have to show this to you. He also sent me a beautiful jade pendant. And let's see. Oh, and a sunstone pendant. Sunstone. I'm working with sunstone now. Oh my gosh, you have to see this amethyst. This amethyst is so beautiful. Look. Look. 5-carat amethyst on that necklace. Let's see how close I can get to the camera with it. Oh my gosh, he made me a beautiful pendant out of that amethyst. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can wear it. It can clip behind my head. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look how chunky it is. It is like a piece of candy. I knew it would be. Oh, I am so excited to wear this. Oh, it fits around my neck. I have a pretty thick neck. Oh, I love it. I love it. So let's look at the other stuff. All right. Well, I wanted a jade one because I love jade. Jade has been like my first love and my always forever love. I love jade. I've loved jade since I was a kid. Matter of fact, I think one of my first necklaces was a jade. He sent me a triangle. Oh, look at that piece of jade. Isn't that sweet? I don't like big necklaces that are like big stones because I'm always afraid I'm going to like chip them and break them, but I like the smaller stones. That's my style. Like kind of small and dainty and just they don't really get in the way of other jackets. I'm in Illinois and we are all, just to go outside you have to put on parkas and hats and boots and a lot of times if I'm wearing jewelry it'll get snagged on my my jackets and my parkas and all my stuff I gotta wear because Illinois is cold and it is in the middle of winter right now. Oh, that is sweet. That is so sweet. That is jade. And this is just a typical little wire wrap. He took the stone and just did a real simple little wire wrap for me. Oh, it is cute. Okay. And lastly but not leastly, we have the sunstone. Now, I haven't had a sunstone in a long time. I don't know what happened to I used to have a big sunstone. It was about this big, and it was sort of like eyeball shaped. And I am not sure whatever happened to that. That was years and years ago. And I kind of missed my sunstone. And this is just a a kind of a rough stone. It's this one isn't like faceted or anything. This is just kind of a natural stone, and I kind of like that. I'm part Native American Indian, and I saw this stone and I thought that with the beautiful colors would with the veins of red that go through the pink. Let's see if I can get, and there's like flecks of dark black in it. To me, that reminds me of the Midwest, and it reminds me of kind of a type of a Native American look that I sometimes like to have. If I'm going to wear, some brighter colors like the reds and the greens and the blues, I want to have something more along that color line. That's why I got a little more orangey stone. But I love it. I think it does look very Native American. He did a really good job on the wire wrap for me. And this is, you can see, he's actually got the wires coming down the back to hold the stone at the bottom. This is not a drilled stone. This is just a rough, actually you can see the roughness on the edge there. He didn't even polish up the edges. It's literally a rough piece, but I still think it's gorgeous. He did a wonderful job of hanging it in a pendant form. Isn't that beautiful? So that is my new jewelry and my new amethyst. Oh, I just love a 5-carat amethyst. Who doesn't love 5 carats of amethyst? Oh man, I gotta show you that really good again. Isn't that so sweet? So this has been a wonderful little unboxing from Tommy'sRocks.com. Check them out. Check them out. It'll blow your mind what they have on that website. It is just phenomenal. And his varieties and what he can do, you can buy the stones. I had ones that he wire wrapped for me, because I don't have time to do the wire wrap, but he did a real good job of wire wrapping these for me. And I love the amethyst wire wrap too. He did a really good job of making sure that was very secure, because I was a little worried. I've had gemstones fall and break, hit the floor and shatter. And amethyst especially, I had one shatter and it broke my heart because it was a beautiful stone. And ever since then, I've been a little scared of the wire wrap. I want them very secure, but Tommy did a very, very good job. He makes very sturdy jewelry. That's what I like about it. When he does his, it's sturdy. It's guaranteed. And if you're not happy, you can send it back. But I am very happy. Very, very happy. I don't think the the pink and the green really go with my blue shirt, my new blue shirt. Matter of fact, I'll show you. I got the emblem on my new shirt. Look at that. You guys sent me a sample. I like it. I like it a lot. So, there we go. All of this you can get at Tommy's Rocks. And anything else, I mean, the selection that he has on that website is incredible. Absolutely incredible. So, thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing and being here with me. And please check out some of my new videos coming up. I've got all kinds of things in the pipeline, and they will be coming out soon. And I will be back in Florida next month. Let's see, am I going to Florida next? No, I'm going to go to Missouri next month. And then pretty much a week after that, I will be in Florida. So I've got some travel plans coming up, and we'll be shooting some really cool videos, and I will bring you all the latest of my travels and all the great places that I visit and people I meet, and I look forward to just sharing all of that with you. There's so much exciting stuff happening this year, so thanks, and I will see you soon.